Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share you something that I have created yesterday, and I guess this is very beautiful piece. So if you want to know how I managed to do this beautiful wood support stand for my devil ivy, keep watching. My devil's ivy growing very fast recently, so I was thinking to make a support stand for it. And I have made some research in YouTube, and many of them they suggest to make the moose pole, and I think this is a very beautiful idea, but I don't have any material to create it. So I was thinking, what should I do? This morning I had a walk to the wood around where I live, and I found those very nice and straight wood stand. And I thought it is gonna be a great idea to use a support stand for my devil's ivy, so I took them home. And they are very light. On the top they are not that smooth, so I'm just gonna saw them a little bit. And it's kind of pretty easy to saw it. The wood is not that hard at all. I'm not sure what kind of wood it is, but wood is good. If it is the wood is very hard and heavy, that might be very difficult to put the make a support stand, right? They can be like a fold back. It will, okay. And for the lower part, I'm just gonna sharp it a little bit. Now time to mix the soil. So I'm gonna use coconut coir. The reason why I use that because it keep soil moist so that the root of the plant never gonna get dehydrated. Okay, and I bought a small pack and it costs about 50 kroner, which is about $5. I guess it is a fair price. And it expands up to 10 liters from this small pack. So I'm just gonna split a little bit from the pack, and I'm gonna mix with the water, and they will expand a lot. Now you can see here they are very smooth and nice. And now I'm gonna add 2 parts soil and 1 part coconut coir, because the coconut coir they are not that they don't have much nutrition compared to the soil, so you should definitely mix with the soil like 2 part and 1 part coconut coir. That will be perfect. Now real part is coming. Okay, so I'm gonna use a bigger pot, 2 times bigger than the previous one, because we need some more space for the support stand. So I'm gonna place the stick and support with some stones around the stick. Okay, and just to secure, I'm gonna put more soil and press them and trying to make it more like solid and a good foundation. Okay, so that it won't be fall back, right? So yeah, just to make it secure and sure. And now they look steady and nice. So I'm gonna repot the plant. So if you want to take the plant out from the pot, you can just squeeze the pot around very nice and gentle, then it will came out itself. Okay, you don't want to drag it down. It can harm the root, right? Even though there's a lot of root, but you should really handle very gentle. And it seems like it's a lot of soil in the pot, so I will just get rid of all the soil and can easily fit into the pot. Okay, and we're gonna add some more soil on the top so that the plant will get lots of nutrition from the new soil. Okay, so and after that I will put more soil and fill up to the whole pot, and you can press it a little bit but not too tight. Okay, nice and gentle. Time to attach. Now time to attach the plant around the support stand. So I'm gonna use the green wires. Okay, you can also use green wire or rope, anything you have available at your place, it doesn't matter, but you got to make sure that that if you use very thin wire, then you might accidentally cut the vein, so you don't want to happen it. So you got to really make sure not to tight, very tight. Okay, so other than that, it's ready to go. This is kind of look here, I can hold like this, and this is kind of thick and heavy, but the wood stand is totally steady, so I thought, okay, I did a good job. Okay, so yes, oh my god, yes, I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can also create one of this beautiful wood stand, you know, instead of paying 800 kroner or whatever. Okay, so yes, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you like it, do not forget to thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.